Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's That Guy in Tech, and today I want to share a very, very special video with you on how to narrow down your marketing funnel so that you can convert visitors into leads and leads into very, very qualified, high quality leads, so that ultimately you can, turn these leads into your community members, your customers, your super fans, whatever it is that you want to do with these people, especially in the crypto space. So this is a project that I've actually been working on for the past couple of months with a really talented group of people. It started out at a hackathon in Bogota, and I'll go into that story another time, but I want to introduce you to DeForm. So let me make my face smaller. Meet DeForm. It's a way for you to connect your wallet, verify your social information from the Web2 world, including Discord and Twitter and Telegram, and you can collect feedback from your community members. So we have four main features to kind of highlight here. You can identify whether or not a person is kind of real depending on how much engagement they've had on the internet and on chain. And we can also help you perform data lookups and access gating so that you can check, do people have certain digital assets? Like, are they part of the Azuki NFT community? Have they ever performed, certain transactions on DeFi protocols like Uniswap? What is their ENS domain? So we can do all of those lookups. We can actually help you send rewards as well. So you might want to say, hey, anyone who was able to fill out this form, thank you for engaging. Here's a soulbound token that you get to commemorate this event. And we also help you create custom surveys. So you can actually use conditional branching to kind of qualify your leads based on whether or not they're a certain type of user within your community. Are they an artist? Are they a collector? Are they an investor? So on and so forth. So actually, let's just jump straight into a form. I have a bunch of other stuff that I'm gonna not go through, but yeah, we have a world-class team. We're all very passionate about crypto and the potential for the future of community engagement that crypto and blockchain technology allows. But yeah, we have a lot of experience from other companies within Silicon Valley, and we are trusted by next generation organizations. So we are working with ENS, Alchemy, 0x, Moonbeam, Optimism, Collection, Developer DAO, City DAO, all of these really, really amazing organizations. And one that I want to feature right now in this video is called Collection. They're building out this new brand called Weebox, which is actually an amazing project. And let me just go straight into showing you what it is. So this is the Twitter account for Weebox. It's the officially licensed anime figurine and collectibles store of San Fran, Tokyo, which is a new concept that kind of bridges the East and the West, the creativity and the consumer marketing of the East in Tokyo, and the technology and the high quality, scalable, communities of San Francisco. So yeah, that's what this is. You should definitely check out their Twitter, check out their amazing website experience. It kind of has this nice loading screen, and then boom, really, really cool concept art. And the cool thing about this is that because it's an official figurine and collectibles store, it's actually bridging the gap between NFT technology, which is all on chain and like crypto and finance, all the stuff, into the real world where people can actually, engage with the brands, the anime series, the Narutos and, the Vinland Sagas that they know and love in a physical, collectible way, which is already happening. But now, we're kind of doing it. We're exploring the cutting edge of all this stuff. So it's really cool. Anyways, you can explore this on your own time. But one of the things they have going on right now, as this video is launched, is they're doing an application form for their Genesis Mint, because they're building out this community for the first time. And they've been putting a lot of effort into partnering with, various organizations in Japan, various licensing deals and other things that I won't go too much into detail on right now, but it's just a very exciting project that they're launching. So you can see here in this first tweet, submit your application now at application.weebox.io in under a minute for a chance to gain guaranteed access to their upcoming free mint. So this is not, one of those like cash grab, like pay a lot of money, speculate on it. It's really something it's the start of something new for their long-term plans. So anyways, let's get into the application. This form is powered by DeForm. And the reason they went with DeForm is because it helps you verify all your socials. Once again, it helps you verify your on-chain information helps you verify your socials, and it also helps you do research on what types of people are in your community. So let's go through this and see what the experience is like. I have my wallet already connected to this app, but what I need to do is verify that I actually own the wallet. So I'm going to sign a message. This is a pretty common pattern where I'm not issuing a transaction. I'm just signing it to prove that, yes, this is my wallet. I'm also going to verify my Twitter account. So I'm already logged into my That Guy in Tech Twitter account. I'm going to authorize this DeForm app to actually see, yes, this is the verified handle. And then of course, I'm going to verify my Discord handle as well, because I want to be a part of their Discord community. And so I'm going to then answer finally the questions on this form that will help me with this application. So I identify the most as a builder or founder. And so I'm going to share a link to what I'm building. And then I'm going to share a link to my analyst or AnyList profile. I unfortunately do not have one of those profiles. I just borrow my fiance's Crunchyroll subscription and watch whatever is on Crunchyroll. So I'm going to say I just watch on Crunchyroll. And then, of course, we have some reCAPTCHA and bot prevention techniques. And so this is, you're seeing one of those in play here. I'm not a robot, and we run some stuff in the background. And then I'm going to submit this form, and that will take me to the custom success page that they've designed with this really cute animal avatar. It thanks you for submitting an application. And then the call to action is to, hey, come into our Discord and start engaging with people, or even you're proud that you're applying for this and helping launch this project. So share on Twitter. And you can see here, if I click share on Twitter, it preloads a bunch of context for me. So I don't have to think about, oh man, what am I going to say? And you can always edit any of this, but it shows a really nice custom image for your form. It gets other people to actually sign up as well. And it's, then the loop continues. So yeah, that is the kind of experience. So shout out to Andrew and the collection team and the Weebox team for letting me feature this. But this is, I think, one of the best designed forms that we have so far. And I think it's only going to get better from here. Now, real quick, I want to actually show you the rest of the platform, a quick high level tour. Now, there's a lot that's going to change over time because we ship every single week. And there are a lot of new features that we have been, dying to kind of publish, and we're, making a lot of progress on that. So a fair heads up is that, we have a lot of features that may change over time. But this is what it looks like on the admin configuration side. When you are configuring your own form, you go to deform.cc. Let me just take you to the homepage real quick. You go to deform.cc, you can sign into your account or sign up. Once you sign in, it'll take you to that workspace page, and then inside the workspace page, you can click into a form and edit a form. So this is what the editing form looks like. You have questions. Of course, you're gonna set up your identity configurations. You're gonna ask for whatever information you need, whatever feedback you want to collect, addresses that you want to mint things to people or airdrop things to people at, whatever it is. You can style it. So you can see here another example of a custom background image, custom logo. This is designed for your brand to be as white label as you need it. And if you need it even more white label, just let us know. And so you can upload your background image, you can change the font. People really love playing around with these fonts. We can do even more fonts too if you need. You can add conditional logic. So earlier you saw, if I identified as a builder or founder, then it asked me for certain pieces of information. Similarly here, I'm saying, okay, if I identify as an artist, I'm going to ask about what art do you make? If I identify as a collector, I'm going to ask about, what was the last NFT that you collected? So you can set up those types of informations, basic form stuff. But where it gets really powerful is we can do data lookups, where if people connect their wallet in the form right here, boom, then in the data lookup post-processing, we automatically run a query to fetch a bunch of information that's already public on the blockchain about what is their ENS domain name, or how much Matic do they have, or any of these other lookups that we can do on any ERC20 token. You just give us the contract, or an NFT. You just tell us the chain, you give us the contract, and we can do all that stuff. So data lookups are super powerful. You can customize the success page. You can customize the access gates. So, hey, I actually don't even want people to open up this form and get past unless they either, for example, own at least 10.5 USDC, or own a Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT, or have at least 0.00001 ETH. Of course, these aren't really realistic gate conditions, but you can see the power of this and customize it however you want. So I can kind of show you. On this example form, I open it up and then boom, I need to sign to verify my wallet, and then we automatically run the checks on these pieces of information. So we're gonna sign, we're gonna verify. And then what's nice is as a user, I might want to check like, hey, what is this, why is this asking for this and what exactly does that mean? We give some debugging information there too, so that it actually reduces your support costs. Now we get through, we view the form, and then boom, you can see like if I click collector, it's gonna ask me about these things. If I click artist, it's gonna ask me about these things. So we have a lot of other configurations and settings. You can kind of go through those on your own time. We have preview images. So you saw the Weebox preview image on Twitter. We have a default one right here, but you can customize that however you want. And then in your responses, you either download a CSV file or you check out the results in Google Sheets. And I'm going to show you what these results look like for this test form. I have submission timestamp, I have the wallet address, I have a Twitter username, Twitter account created at, follower count, following count, Twitter tweet count, Discord display name. I never filled out that question and I actually deleted it from the form, so none of these answers actually have those. What's the email address? Are you an artist or a collector? And then over here, this is where we have the data lookup. So we had looked up and verified that yes, I own this address, and oops, let me undo that edit. And then, how much USDC does this wallet have, right? It's 1,165. Do they own at least 10.5 like I set in the access gate query? Yes, they do. And then there's a bunch of data lookup information as well. So this is really powerful. You can use all this information to create graphs, to filter down the allow list, to, assign points and say, hey, these are the types of people that we want to promote to our super fan group, the super community, and the possibilities are endless. And we're constantly building out more automations to help you out. So that is the entire tour. I really hope that that was useful. You got a glimpse of, the future of marketing that combines, the current internet as we know it today and the future of the internet that is going to be blockchain enabled, creator and community first. And we're really excited to explore that with you. So come along on the journey, try out DeForm, go to deform.cc, fill out the form. I'm going to drop an example form in the YouTube description below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.